Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Hik-Connect app onto your Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. Now, this method will be using the Google search, so any browser you use will be alright as far as the browser is on an Android TV or a browser with an Android operating system. Get into your browser. In my case, I'm getting into the Google browser, and you have to search the application you wish to download. For this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Hik-Connect app. So type in Hik-Connect, H-I-K space connect, N-N-E, exactly. This is it popping up. Search it and you'll find several options for download links. Now, I want you to go to play.google.com and click on that link. When it opens, you may see a request to log in. If this is your first time, Google will ask you to log in. So perform the login and you'll be good to go. Now click on this install button, and depending on your internet speed, you have this application downloaded into your Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. As long as the device is working with an Android operating system, this method will work very well for you. Be patient and let the download progress. When it is done downloading, you have this application on your Android TV. If you found inside here, I want you to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.